I hope you are fine and healthy at your home. Now we are going to start our physics class 12th, chapter number 5th, which is our second unit. So before studying this, we have to study about electromotive force. What is EMF? The energy spent in a circulating a unit charge through the circuit is known as a EMF of cell. The energy spent in a circulating a unit charge through the circuit is known as a EMF. It is represented by capital E. Capital E equal to W upon Q. W means work and Q means charge. That means its unit, SI unit will be volt. So now we will see the relation between EMF, potential difference and internal resistance of circuit or cell. So we know that all three fundamentally. First we will discuss about the diagram. Suppose that we have a circuit which have a EMF is E, one resistance is connected which is R, and potential difference across the ends of the circuit is V. Let I current is flowing through the circuit, then internal resistance is R, current I flow to the circuit, then potential difference will be V. This is our explanation of diagram. So we have earlier studied by the Ohm's law I equal to V upon R. That will be our equation number first. Suppose that EMF of cell E is E, then total resistance will be internal resistance plus external resistance. So current will be E upon R plus R, where capital R is a external resistance and the small r is a internal resistance. So we have a two equation, I equal to V upon R and I equal to E upon R plus R. So we'll combine equation first and equation second. Then we can see that left hand side and right hand side, left hand side is equal. So we'll compare with right hand side. V upon R equal to E upon R plus R, which is our total resistance. So we'll cross multiply. VR plus V small r equal to ER. Will transform VR equal to ER minus VR. In this we can see that R can take we can take as a common. So what will we remain? VR equal to R E minus V, or we can derive the relation R equal to R E minus V upon V by the cross multiplication. Now we are doing separation, R equal to R E upon V minus 1. So this is our relation between EMF, potential difference and internal resistance of cell. Now we will see the difference between electromotive force and potential difference. We have earlier discussed about electromotive force. So EMF or electromotive force is a maximum potential difference between two poles in open circuit. The point should be remembered that it is maximum potential difference between two poles in open circuit. But potential difference is the difference of potential in two terminals of cell. Second difference between electromotive force or potential difference is electromotive force exists after circuit is broken. If we are breaking the circuit, then also EMF will exist. But in the case of potential difference, it is not depend after the circuit, not exist after the circuit is broken. Then third point is EMF of cell is not depend on resistance. Electromotive force does not depend on the resistance, but potential difference depend on the resistance. This is our third difference. Normally we will talk about electromotive force. It is generally used for the electric source, just like cell, battery, dynamo, etc. But the word used for potential difference of pair of two point in a closed circuit. Pair of 2 point in closed circuit. Then electromotive force always greater than terminal voltage of closed circuit. It is always greater than terminal voltage of closed circuit, but potential difference always less than electromotive force of cell which we are using. This is our difference between electromotive force and potential difference. So try to understand both of these. Thank you.